Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Matthew Brady. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy it. So today actually is just another little update / install on the Suzuki DRZ400 Supermoto. I bought a SMF stunt bar for this bike probably a month ago now, and it was in kind of bad shape. The paint was really gross on it because I bought it used. So I took it to a local guy and had him powder coated. I just picked it up a couple days ago. Check this sucker out. It looks so much better here. Let me change the camera angle. So look at this thing in the light a little bit better. The paint is so much better than it used to be. I did lose the logo, unfortunately, but life goes on. There used to be like a logo, SMF Industries or something like that right here, but for the most part, I love the way it looks, and I think it's going to look really good on the bike too. So let's go ahead and install this right now. Should only take a few minutes probably. First thing that I need to do before I actually get this thing installed on the bike is to replace these sliders for the pegs. They just fit in here like that. And then there's a titanium, I think it's titanium skid plate or slide plate for the back I need to put in right there. So let's get that done here first. Now with the scrape plate on there and the two sliders in the pegs, we can go ahead and get it installed on the bike. I'm actually running into fitment issues because there's two mounting points here and on this side here. And actually, because of this fender eliminator that's on here, it's pushing the actual fender up. I don't know if you can see, about ½ an inch, which is not letting my bolts go through these mounts. So I'm gonna have to try to find a way around that. Whenever I put this stunt bar on here, it ends up pushing down on both of my rear turn signals, like it's a limiting factor. It won't let me get the hardware bolts in through these two holes. So I need to go find something to elongate this turn signal and bring it down to about, I don't know, about here roughly, which means I'll probably have to modify this a little bit, but I don't really care about that right now. I got two of these brackets and some assorted hardware from the hardware store, thinking I could extend this bracket down, but that doesn't appear to be possible. Or maybe I'm stupid, I'm not sure. That could be it. But I can't get this actual light assembly out of the bracket in order to put a new or extension down. So what I'm gonna do instead is find a way to mount these kind of over here on the edge of, sort of like that, so that they come off under here. It'll look a little weird, but I think it'll work fine. Hey everybody, you want to see what a really pissed off motorcycle owner looks like? Well, you're looking at him. This fender eliminator kit that's on the bike is the most trash piece of crap, awfully made, just I couldn't make my turn signals actually mount anywhere, and one of them broke anyway. So these things are going bye-bye. I'm gonna get an integrated tail light for this thing so that I don't have to deal with any of this fucking.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna put it back together and we're gonna run just a rear brake light basically for a while. No turn signals, Hate on me if you want, whatever. It won't be for that long anyway. In order to get the stunt bar on this bike, I need to change to a different fender eliminator kit, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get it buttoned back up and at least get the bar on. So after much annoyances and way too long, I do finally have a stunt bar on this thing. I did learn that the fender eliminator that was on the bike didn't really fit right to begin with. It sat too high up, which means the rear fender actually, like the tail was raised up about that far off where it's supposed to be. And then while I was trying to kind of retrofit it to work, one of the turn signals wires broke, and I finally just said fuck it and got really pissed and ripped those babies out of there. So we're just running a tail light for a little while until I get a new fender eliminator kit, which will be soon. I'm gonna get an integrated one so I don't have any issues. It's gonna be one little tail light with turn signals on each side of it, and that's gonna be it. But for now, check out my rad stunt bar. It does look cool, at least. So as you guys can see, it mounts in the front to the stock seat mounts, and then underneath to these little tabs. Let's give it a try here. Woo! That's sturdy. Shit. This is really high up. Holy crap. When you're standing on these pegs, man, you're freaking way up there. Thank you for watching this video. I know it wasn't the most perfect video in the world and I didn't show everything. It was just a total pain in the ass. But you'll see this bike more and more here soon. It's getting warmer so I can start moto vlogging again. And I can't wait to show some of that to you. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.
Ooh.